So in general, my big advice for demoing a boat or setting up a new boat is don't just get in it and go and say, oh, this is good, let's just go. Play with, adjust the fittings, adjust the way you're sitting in it to get really a feel for the boat, and then do specific things. So we paddled the wind in all 4 directions, we did sweep turns, I practiced edging in it, and just went fast. And just to get a feel for the boat and how it performs and sort of what its limits are. So you gotta play with it to get a feel for what's going on, and that's particularly important if you're demoing a boat. Take your time, don't just sit in it and say, oh, that's good.